Sa iba pang balita, binigyang diin ni Pangulong Aquino sa kanyang pagdalo sa ika-114 na anibersaryo ng Manila Bulletin ang kahalagahan ng responsableng pamamahayag. Ayon sa Pangulo, hindi naman kailangan na laging negatibo ang mga inilalabas sa mga balita. Balitaan mo kami, Elena Luna.
Hinihikayat ni Pangulong Aquino ang patuloy na paglago ng responsableng media sa bansa. Sa kanyang pagdalo sa ika-114 na anibersaryo ng Manila Bulletin, binigyang diin niya sa mga miyembro ng media na hindi kailangang ibigay sa publiko ang pinaka-negatibong balita. Ang mahalagaan niya ay ibigay sa mga mamamayan ang tunay na nangyari at bigyan sila ng dahilan para maging positibo sa buhay.
The progress of our country can only be accounted for when it is measured against and in spite of the challenges that we have endured. The Manila Bulletin has always lived up to this, exhibiting discernment and accountability through sober and responsible reporting. This is what I've always said, to raise the level of public discourse instead of fueling unnecessary speculation and negativity that contributes to national apathy.
Nilinaw ng Pangulo na hindi naman niya hinihiling na puro good news ang ilahad sa publiko ng media. Sinabi niya na sa pagre-report noong Bagyong Yolanda, nakita sa mga Pilipino ang pagdadamayan sa gitna ng negatibong sitwasyon. Inihalimbawa ng Pangulo ang pagdagsa ng mga volunteers sa repacking centers para tumulong sa 24 oras na operasyon.
We must look to the example of the public we both serve. In the face of negativity, the Filipino people have chosen the path of positivity and solidarity. The naysayers, the irrational critics, the vested interests who measure their success through their ability to sacrifice the well-being of the nation to pursue their own selfish agenda, all of them have been left in the dust by a nation that no typhoon, no faction, and no irresponsible columnist can break. Our people have proven themselves more united, more discerning, more cooperative, and in particular, more committed to making change permanent than those who once tried to take advantage of them.
Binalikan ng Pangulo ang sinasabi noon ng inang si dating Pangulong Corazon Aquino. Hindi takot kundi kagitingan ang nakakahawa. Ganon din ang pagiging mabuting mamamayan.
It is because of such people who have made so much progress. They work and study hard, pay their taxes, follow the rules, and do their part in lifting our nation. They know that not since 1986 have Filipinos been able to go anywhere in the world and hold their heads high as we do today. They know this because they took it upon themselves to give us a mandate for change back in 2010, and they have stayed the course ever since.
Ito ang pangalawang beses na dumalo ang Pangulo sa anibersaryo ng Manila Bulletin. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.